us is awkwardness. For them is something else.
Huh? For
homeopathy is awkwardness. For other pathy it will be something else.
yeah, of course. For the other pathy something else. For other medicines also something else. But if we are talking about the Argentum nitricum, it's very important. Yeah, it's a quite different thing. All the things are related with this awkwardness. Abdomen distension and pain when lying on right side. We have already gone through in general chapter, no, lying on right side get aggravated. So pain when lying on right side and distension of the abdomen, it is there. Coming to the rectum. So what type of the flatulence will be there? Loud, yes. Diarrhea is there, and diarrhea because of anticipation, excitement, sweets aggravate है ना. So sweets, excitement, anticipation, anticipatory diarrhea होता है ना लोगों को. कहीं भी जाने के पहले डायरिया शुरू हो जाता है. एग्जामिनेशन के पहले डायरिया शुरू हो जाता है. स्टूडेंट लोगों के अंदर में होता है, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट के अंदर एग्जामिनेशन के पहले डायरिया शुरू हो जाता है उनको. You can think about the Argentum nitricum. If there is the presentation of like this, then only. Other medicines is also there, but if the presentation is like that, they are feeling how I will write in the examination, what will happen, they are started and trembling of the hand while writing the name and all, no? कोई पेशेंट के बारे में बात हो रहा है ना. हाँ, so writing ये trembling the hand before writing and all. So
जूलियस के प्रैक्टिकल में जैसे ही एंटर करती थी उसका ना वेंटिलेशन स्टार्ट हो जाता था.
Yes, you can think about these medicines. Gelsemium also. So many medicines are there, but you can think on the basis of the theme of the medicines. What is the theme of the Gelsemium? According to that, you can think about that. What is the theme of the Argentum nitricum? On the basis of that, you can go through that. है ना? So it happens in the Argentum nitricum too. So rectum flatulence, diarrhea from anticipation, excitement, and sweets. Now coming to the urinary, frequent urination from anticipation. Frequent urination from anticipation. Involuntary urination. Involuntary urination. This is also type of the awkwardness. No, baby. है ना? Involuntary urination. Awkward situation. You are holding the glass and it fall down. This is awkward situation. You are trying to hold the urine, it passes. This is the awkward situation because of the awkwardness. Your bladder is not working. Your prostate is not working. Not holding the things which should be hold. Which should be holded, but it's not hold. Difficult to hold. So you will find such type of the symptoms over there. Male genitalia, sexual desire increased, and it leads to the impotency. Impotency is also very important for the Argentum nitricum, but because of the excess sexual desire. And we have the rubrics, no, elements from sexual excesses. So you can think about that. And after that, the impotency should be there. This is also very important. Impotency should be there. Loses erection because of the sudden and fixed ideas during the sex. This is also very important. Just see, no, just go through this sentence. Loses erection because of sudden fixed ideas during the sex. All of the sudden, some ideas came and the fixed ideas came. Because of that, loses the erection. In male genitalia, we are talking about. And all these things leads to the impotency. Now the female genitalia, sensation of swelling at right ovary. Sensation of swelling of right ovary. Metorrhagia aggravated after the coition. Metorrhagia aggravated after the coition. Now the respiration. Dyspnea. aggravated from room full of people. Room full of people. Claustrophobia,
उसके साथ में
crowd fear, है ना, crowd fear,
close near
warm, heat aggravate, all the things we can apply over here. No, the room full of में अभी जैसे कैसे वर्मा जी आए तो बोले पंखा सर चलाइए, इतने लोगों की वजह से. though there is no need of the fan, but he said कि नहीं पंखा चलना चाहिए because so many people are over here, no, so heat is generating, so the warm room is there. Room full of people, taking deep breath. Now coming to the chest. Sensation, heart is beating so violent that it will jump out of place. Sensation, heart is beating so violent that it will jump out of place. इतना तेजी से धड़क रहा है ना, कैसा लगता है कि यहाँ से निकल के बाहर आ जाएगा, है ना, हर्ट निकल के बाहर आ जाएगा. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू जंप आउट फ्रॉम द प्लेस, हर्ट विल जंप आउट फ्रॉम द प्लेस, है ना, इतना तेजी से धड़क रहा है. हम लोग हर्ट में ना पैल्पिटेशन ऑडिबल करके एक रूप से, पैल्पिटेशन ऑडिबल खुद सुनाई देता है, हार्ट बीट खुद से सुनाई देता है, पैल्पिटेशन ऑडिबल. हाँ खुद से. अभी कल ही एक फिल्म देख रहे थे ना, तो अक्षय कुमार का था, तो जो एक्ट्रेस है करीना कपूर है, तो वो ऑपरेशन करती है तो उसमें उसका घड़ी छूट जाता है, ओम मंगलम कौन मंगलम चलते रहता है. सो लिसनिंग द साउंड ऑफ द, तो थोड़ी देर के लिए देखे, बहुत लंबा नहीं, थोड़ी देर के लिए देखे. सो इट्स लाइक दैट कि हार्ट इज बीटिंग, अरे इतना तेज आवाज, नो, सो द साउंड इज कमिंग इन द ईयर. तो उसको ऐसे ही कहीं पे भी कुछ भी बोला ना, अचानक से ओम मंगलम क्या मंगलम चलना शुरू हो जाता है, मंगलम तनोहरि मंगलम, हाँ गरुड़ ध्वजा, कुछ जो ऐसे शादी वाला जो मंत्र है ना, वो ऐसे चलने लगता है. सो ऑडिबल इनसाइड में वो चल रहा है, वो बाहर में कान में सुनाई देता है. सो सिमिलरली ओवर ईयर, नो, कि हार्ट इज बीटिंग एंड साउंड इज कमिंग टू योर ईयर. सो palpitation, chest sensation, yes, jump out of place. Palpitation aggravate lying right side. This is also very important for the argentum nitricum. Lying on right side get aggravated. Now coming to the extremities. So many symptoms we have already gone through. No, ataxia. What is the ataxia? Incoordination, awkwardness, paralysis. Ataxia, especially lower limbs. Paralysis. In the condition of paralysis, the same situation you will find. It's very difficult to walk. Awkwardness, weakness, heaviness, numbness in forearms. Numbness in forearms during menses. Restlessness. Yesterday we saw a patient continuously, he was shaking his legs, trembling of the leg was there, you know. Mostly we think about the zincum metallicum, but zincum metallicum, if because of the deficiency this restlessness is there, then only we will think about the zincum metallicum. Otherwise other medicines are also there, no, we were talking about the overstimulation. So mentally if the patient is thinking so many things going on, no, so in that situation also you will find it. If having the neurological problem like the argentum nitricum, then also you will find the restlessness of the lower limbs is there. So restlessness, chorea, we all know, chorea is the disease, है ना, chorea. That is also the awkwardness. इधर उधर भाग जाना, हाथ ऐसे ऐसे, है ना, ऐसे करके छटक जाना, ऐसे हो जाना, लाइक होल्ड क्यों ऐसे गिर जाना, ऐसे करके पकड़े में ऐसे करके chorea. So this is all about the argentum nitricum. Complementary medicine is the calcarea carb. Gelsemium, yes, we were talking about the gelsemium. So gelsemium is also there. Complementary medicine. If you want to complete the the action of this argentum nitricum, and if presentation is there, then only you will have to think about the gelsemium. Calcarea carb, gelsemium, natrum mur, pulsatilla, and sepia. Pulsatilla and sepia. And differential diagnosis from the argentum metallicum. From the argentum metallicum. Arsenic album. Arsenic is also very insecure type of the person, no? So this argentum is also very much near to this arsenic. Carbo-veg is also there. China, because of the weakness, you can think about the China. Gelsemium, nervousness. Lycopodium, because of the anticipation. सबसे differentiate करने का है ना? Medorinum, because of the highly the sexual desire and leading to the impotency. On the basis of that, the phosphorus, the bursting, the splinter like the burning, है ना? Photophobia, phosphorus is also very important for the photophobia, for the light. Then the pulsatilla for the warm room, people crowd, fear of the crowd. So on the basis of that, you can differentiate. And finally, the sulfur. So it's very difficult to think about the sulfur. Sulfur warm. Sulfur is also very important. Warm aggravate, है ना? Sulfur summer में भी कंबल ओढ़ करके सोता है. It's like that. So warm or heat aggravates the problem. So differential diagnosis we can think like that. But all the medicine, sulfur has different themes. So on the basis of different theme, we'll have to think about the sulfur. Argentum nitricum only on the basis of awkwardness, the imbalanced situation with all these presentations. For the vertigo, for the eructations, for the diarrhea, for the vomiting, but because of the awkward situations, the awkwardness, है ना? Then only we can think about the argentum nitricum. So this is all about the argentum nitricum.